how do you find equivalent fractions?
You'll find equivalent fractions by, for example, 4 times what equals 60. First, you have to find what to multiply the 4 to 60. So the answer is 15 times 15. 4 times 15 equals 60. And the number 15, you'll have to put it on the top too. It's always like that. 1 times 15 equals 15. So the answer is this one.
15. What's the answer?
15 over 60.
Okay. How about this? The next one.
The same thing. 4 times 15 equals 60.
How did you find 15? Same.
2 times 15 equals 30.
Okay, let's jump to this one. How did you find the 20? What here? Yan. How did you find the 20 here? Ito, yung may arrow.
The same thing. 10 times what equals 200, and you have to find what 2 times 200.
To multiply to 200. So this one ba yun? This one? Okay.
And if you find the answer here, always put it on the top. So you'll answer what to put here.
Okay.